Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Midjourney bot to your Discord server. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your browser and then search for discord.gg/midjourney. It is a very easy link, you can easily remember it. And after that you need to click on accept invite, and then it will verify that if you are a human. So once you have verified yourself, it will open up the Discord application, and then here click on this bot and then click on add to server, and from here you need to select the server in which you need to add the bot and then click on continue, and then checkbox this all options and then click on authorize and then verify yourself. And there you go. This is how you can add Midjourney bot to your Discord server. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.